Well, certainly I face lots of competition out there, but the competition, at least in my opinion, and this is somewhat egocentric for me to say this, but the competition doesn't compare. There are some good people, no question about it, but most of the time, when you compare my experience of 22 years in voice broadcasting, using it successfully, making a good living using it, when you compare my experience with most of the people out there, they pale by comparison. They might have a few weeks or a couple of years, maybe. But for the most part, those people, even with a couple of years, have gone on to the next thing. So I'd like to talk to you and ask you to compare me. I'll give you my credentials, my references, and you can compare me with anybody out there. And if you find my offer to be favorable, we might want to do business. If not, then you can go and do business wherever you want. So I'd like you to call me. Put me on your list. My name is Terry Anderson, area code 804-379-8329. Take care.